Guys, it's math time. And today we are going to do lesson 8. So it was the one that was scheduled for last week. Remember the one that I gave you a special little plastic bag that has some beads and a pipe cleaner in? That's the lesson we're going to do today. So hopefully you still have your baggie. Get that and your beads and get your papers that go to lesson 8. And let's get started. All right. To start with, we're going to count by twos. It's good to practice this. So ready? Say it with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do it again. Get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is like skip counting because we're not saying every other number. We're not saying 1, 3, 5. We're just saying the ones that go past it. Ready? Again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Faster. Get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Really fast. Get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do it until you have it perfectly. And I'll add it to one of our skills in IXL that you can practice as well. When we count by 2, we are skip counting. Really cool way to do things. Okay, let's move on. Get out your plastic bag. Actually, not get out your plastic bag yet. We are going to do our sprint. So get out your packet. It should be the first paper on your packet. Get this to work. Okay, I'm still working on getting mine set up. Hope you got yours set up. All right, here it is. Now, we worked on breaking down 9, and so we call it decomposing. And so we take 9 and we say, what two numbers can equal 9? 8 and 1. Yep, 1 more than 8 is 9. What two numbers go together to make 9? Starting with 7. Put 7 in your brain. Count on 8, 9. That's right. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 8 plus what equals 9? Hey, we already did that one. It's right here. So our answer is what? 8 and 1 more is 9. And we already did the other one, 7 and 2. Okay, I'm going to give you 90 seconds. Do as many as you can, and you can write your score right up in that star in the corner of your paper. Ready? Begin. Okay, 30 more seconds. Keep going. Don't give up. You got 10 more seconds. You can get another couple done. And stop. All right. we're going to actually, I'm like this, but I always figure out this one. And turn this off. Okay. All right. Okay. There we go. All right. So go ahead and put that away. If you have your whiteboard, get it out, and you can do this problem with me. Stop the video for a second if you need more time to get your whiteboard out. Here's our story today. Radens received 9 stickers at school. He received 5 stickers in the morning. How many did he receive in the afternoon? Let's draw a picture, a number bond, and a number sentence to just show how we know. Here we go, ready? He got some stickers. So he got 9 stickers in all. I'm going to go ahead and draw his stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice I did a 5 group at the top. Oops. Yeah, I forgot I need to share this with you. Okay, share the screen. Actually, don't share the screen yet. I shouldn't have turned that off yet. Okay. Give me a second here. Okay, it's too quick to turn that off. Here we go. Okay, so I made my 9 circles to represent his 9 stickers because he got 9 stickers in all. Now, here's the interesting part. He said he received 5 stickers in the morning. I like to put mine in a 5 group so that I don't have to count them again. That way I can just circle 5 right there. Those are the ones he got in the morning. How many did he get in the afternoon? Well, we can know right here that he had 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that our big number, let's do it with a circle this time. Our big number is 9. Our small numbers that add up to 9 are 5 and 4. So our addition problem could be 5 plus 4 equals 9. Or we could turn it around and say 4 plus 5 equals 9. Could I make it so the 9 comes first? Yeah, as long as the answer, the big number, is on the opposite side of the equal sign. So it's not on the same side as the equal sign as the add-ins. So I could go 9 equals 4 plus 5. You notice on the equal sign, you have to have the big number on one side and the 2 that equal that number on the other side. And it doesn't matter which one comes first. You can do the small numbers first, equals 9, or you can do the big number first, 9 equals the 2 small numbers. Okay, good practice. All right, now it's time to get out that plastic bag that we've all were wondering about. And you should have something like this. And so we're going to make our own Kenrick. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take our, let's see, quit visualizer. Okay. Let's just try it that way and see if we can do it that way. Okay. So I've got my paper, my wire. Now, when I put my beads on, I'm going to put you should have 2 different colors of beads, and it doesn't matter what colors you have. You should have 5 of one color and 5 of the other. Hopefully you haven't lost any. I'm going to put all of one color together so that my 5 purple ones are all next to each other. And then I'm going to put my 4 of my other color. Mine happen to be gold, or my 5, I'm sorry, 5 of my gold ones on as well. Okay, so that I have 5 and 5. Stitch them together. I'm going to go ahead and make it so that it becomes kind of like a bracelet. You can take it like this and twist it under a couple times. So you can fit Try my hand like that. Or I can just lay it flat and we can use it as a Kenrick. So let me just, oops. So let me see if I can pull up my visualizer again. This is a little bit cumbersome, isn't it? Okay, so I've got my visualizer up. All right. Finish up your bracelet and I'll show you what we're going to do with it. There we go. All right, there's mine. Hopefully you got yours all made. And we're going to use it when we think about when we do our paper today. You know, 10 is a really important number. There's a lot of things that come in the number 10. For example, I have 10 fingers, and so do you. I have 10 toes, and hopefully you do too. And 10 dimes makes $1. 10 pennies makes 1 dime. A lot of our money is based on the number 10. And so 10 is a really easy thing to learn to add with. So I'm going to put my paper underneath there. And we're going to use our Kenrick, our bracelet, to help us solve some problems here. It says, use your bracelet to show different partners of 10. Then draw the bead, write the expression to match. And hopefully you're getting really good at knowing all your partners of 10. If you've been working on IXL with partners of 10, smart, right? Okay, so the first one shows me right there, it has 3. So I'm going to move 3 away from the other ones. I'm going to put mine back down again so you can see it. Now, what's easy about it is because you have 5 of one color and 5 of the other, I can already see that there's 5 there. And I can count on 6, 7, so that I know I have 7 here, and I put 3 over there. So like theirs, I have 3 and 7, which is the same as 7 plus 3, right? 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3, looks like the plus sign is missing on that one. Okay. Okay, let's pick a different one. You can pick any one you want. I'm going to show you how to do a few of them on the, I'll show you how to do the first 4, and then you figure out the last ones. How about that? Well, let's see what your homework is first. Maybe your homework will let you have time to do it. Yeah, it does a little bit. Okay, so this time, let's only push away 2. 2 away from the group of 10. Now I have 5 purple ones still. I count on 6, 7, 8. 8 and 2 are partners of 10. So I'm going to say 2 plus 8, or 8 plus 2. Okay, let's move one of them back. So now I have 1 by itself over here. And the rest are together down here. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 1 by itself, and then I have 9. 1 plus 9. And I could also switch those around to be 9 plus 1. What if I pushed all of them together? What would I have then? How many are by themselves? 0 and 10. Switch it around, 10 and 0. Okay, I'm going to let you use your Kenrick to figure out the last 2 problems without my help. But you can stop the video and do that now, or you can keep the video going and we'll do the back side of your paper, and then you can go back and do that one, whichever one you want to do, okay? So now we're on to number 2. Number 2 says match the partners of 10, then write the number bond for each group. Remember, we're trying to get to 10 each time. So 10 and 0, here they already did their number bond. 10 is the big number. If you have 10 as one of the small numbers, then the other small number has to be 0. Let's look at the next one. This one, it even tells us the number by it, which is really nice, so we don't have to add it up. We can see that there's 9, and how many more equals 10? 1. You're right, 9, 10. So we have draw it to the 1, write our number bond, 9 and 1, and our big number is 10. Let's look at 8. Use 8 in your brain and count on 8, 9, 10. Our goal was to get to 10. It takes 2 more from 8 to get to 10. So we're going to draw that one to the 2. Our big number is 10. Small numbers are 2 and 8. And it doesn't matter if I put the 8 on the top or the 8 on the bottom. Now we have 7 and 8, 9, 10. 7 and 3. Is 10. So 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7, right? Okay, let's do 6. Do you note a pattern here? Look at 10, 1, 10, 0, 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3. What's 6 going to be? If you're going in a pattern, we went 0, 1, 2, 3. It has to be 4. And if you didn't see the pattern, that's okay. Count it on. Go 6 in your brain, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. So our big number is 10, 6, and 4. Oops, let's do the last one. 5 and 5. Read the instructions. Color the number bond that has 2 parts that are the same. Oh, 5 and 5. Those are doubles. Write the number bond that has 2 parts that are the same. Write addition sentences to match that number bond. So we're just going to go 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or we can put 10 over on this side because see, here's the equal sign. So go to 10 equals 5 plus 5. And then our number bond. Okay, let's take a look at your homework. And then we'll come back to the exit ticket, okay? Here's the homework. It says, Rex found 10 bones on his walk. He can't decide which part he wants to bring to his doghouse and which part he should bury. Help show Rex his choices by filling in the missing parts of the number bond. So how many bones are there? 10, yep. And so he's going to decide how many he brings back at a time. First time he's going to bring back 5 and 5, you're right. Then he's going to bring back 6 and, if you need help, like circle the 6 and then count on, okay? Then he decided to bury 3 and bring back 7. Write all the different sentences that can go to that number bond. So you're going to go like this. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Go down here, start with the 10 first. 10 equals 7 plus 3. 10 equals 3 plus 7. There's actually 4 ways we can write that same expression, just in different orders, right? All right, that's the only one I have. Do you have a second page to your homework? Let's see, it looks like I don't. So if you do, make sure you finish it. Sorry, I don't seem to have one. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your exit ticket with you. Color the partners that make 10. What I want you to do is circle the partners or color them that make 10. You can cross out the ones that don't make 10. Every one of them is worth a point. So this particular quiz is worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Right? So I'll look at the first one and decide, is 7 and 3 dots, is that going to equal 10? If it does, I can color it in. If it doesn't, I'm going to cross it out. All right? Be sure to write your name on these because I collect these separately and I'll give you a different grade for these so they kind of get separated from your other work. Be sure you write your name on it for me. All right? That's all we're going to do today in our math class. Hope you have fun. Now, I have to quit this. Hang on. Okay. So what we want you guys to do is save this. Put it in a special place, maybe in your binder in the pocket or some place where it won't get lost, because you will see that I will use these again within my lessons sometime, okay? These are a cool little math helper, especially getting into 10, right? Okay. That's it for today. Bye.